Okay, so it's spring and I'm pruning the lambsear. Here it is growing in its fuzzy little leaves, but next to it is last year's growth. And the problem is if you pull on it, you might pull up the entire plant. You can see it's not really safe. It's pretty strong. So you're just gonna wanna grab some pruners. Pointy ones are probably best. And prune down as far as you can above any live leaves. And that's it. Of course, you can also prune out leaves that kind of have withered away, just to make it look nice. Here's another example. The leaves are like super fluffy, but last year's stems are dead. So just go all the way down and cut. There are also some leaves in here that are not nice looking anymore. Sometimes you can just pull them away. So if you can do that, sometimes it's easier, sometimes not. This leaf is dying a little bit, so you can just pinch it off right by where it meets the plant, or cut it off. Some leaves in there. There's another one of last year's stems. If you move away this growth, you can follow the stem to reveal where it connects to the plant and cut. It truly has the softest leaves. Kind of like maybe a puppy's ear. Or probably a lamb's ear.